When you go to do your burrito wrap of your French drain system, you want to make sure not to overlap. I've seen drains where they do a heavy overlap. The water flows through this filter fabric just fine. The filter fabric always has a gallons per minute rating. This filter fabric here is going to move water. It's going to move 140 gallons per minute through a square foot of it. So what we want to make sure is that we don't overlap. Sure, we want to pull them together. We want to keep the dirt out, but we don't want to have a bunch of extra filter fabric. We're just overlapping on top of one another, because that is going to create a problem. And actually, that will slow down your drains. So once in a while, you're going to have to enter the drain. You're going to have cable, AT&T, Comcast, sprinklers too. You got to make way for them. And there's just really no getting around that. You know, you have to work with that. For more tips, tricks, subscribe.